Conan O'Brien's parents, Thomas and Ruth O'Brien, an epidemiologist and lawyer, pass away days apart. Conan O'Brien, a comedian and late-night host, lost his parents, Thomas and Ruth O'Brien. Ruth, a lawyer, was 92, and Thomas, an epidemiologist, was 95. Mrs. O'Brien passed away on Thursday, and Dr. O'Brien passed away on Monday. The news was covered by the New York Times, and their Brookline, Massachusetts, home. Both O'Briens passed away. At the present-day Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston, Dr. O'Brien served as the first director of the Infectious Diseases Department. The second female partner at the Ropes and Gray law firm was Mrs. O'Brien. Dr. O'Brien was an early alarm ringer about the danger of antimicrobial resistance. The Boston Globe reported he also worried about drug-resistant superbugs. The problem of antimicrobial resistance is enormous because of the magnitude of the interconnecting global bacterial populations it involves, he wrote in a 2021 World Health Organization report on the topic. It is intricate because of the diversity of resistance genes and genetic vectors responding to differing usage of antimicrobial agents on different parts of those populations in different parts of the world. It is also peculiarly circular since an attempt to cure one patient may eventually prevent cure of another. He added, he was one of the pioneers of databases that allowed physicians to quickly record and report outbreaks of antibiotic resistance, the Globe added. Traveling the world, often to small hospitals in developing nations, he cultivated a network of physicians, researchers, and technicians whose observations and testing became part of a larger effort. Dr. O'Brien was also an associate professor at Harvard Medical School. Ruth O'Brien was one of 4 women who graduated in the Yale Law School class of 1956. She began her career at Ropes and Gray soon after graduation, the firm shared on its website, and remained there until 1960, when she became pregnant with her first child. She rejoined the firm in a part-time capacity after staying home and raising her family for a decade.